How to fix Rockstar Game Launcher not opening and not responding in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the Rockstar Game Launcher not opening and not responding in your Windows 10 or 11, then here are some steps. First, you need to go with the search option and then go with Windows Security. Open up the Windows Security and now you need to go with the virus and threat protection. Under that, you need to go with virus and threat protection settings and then go with manage settings. Under that, you need to scroll down and then you need to go with the exclusions option. Under exclusions, go with add or remove exclusions and then click on yes. And from here, you can add an exclusion. Click on add and then choose folder. And then you need to choose a folder. So go with this PC and local disk and go with the program files. Under program files, you need to search for the Rockstar Games folder. If you have that folder, then simply click on the folder and then select the folder. Once you've selected the folder, you can go back and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next step you need to do is you need to open up your files and then go with this PC, go with local disk and then go with program files. And under program files, select the Rockstar Games folder and then you can rename that folder. For example, if this is the Rockstar folder, then you just need to simply right click on that and then you can rename that folder. Once you've renamed, you can go back and then you can try to open up the Rockstar and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Rockstar Game Launcher not opening and not responding. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.